In today's video, we are going to look at 12 Igbo names that sound English when shortened. Yes, you heard me. 12 Igbo names that sound English when shortened. Okay, so all my tush and posh gang, stepping right here and let's enjoy this video together. Okay, mana tufu anya gava niru ndi ba ndalo non afam Ngozika. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are all welcome. Okay, if today is your first time here, I appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun and, as usual, a very interesting content. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos each time I make new upload. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. I'm gonna say it again. First on our list is Amanda. Okay, we all know Amanda is an English name, but there are certain names in Igbo. When shortened, we get Amanda. And what name is that? Chimamanda. 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 When we remove Chim, we get Amanda. Okay? Chimamanda. For short, Amanda. Chimamanda simply translates, my personal spirit shall not be broken. Okay? My personal spirit shall not be broken. Okay? The second on our list is Zitel. Zitel. It sounds so English, right? But this is the full name of Zitel. Chizitelu. Chizitelu. God sent. God sent. Chizitelu. That is where we got the Zitel from. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it sounds so English. Zitel. Chizitelu. Okay? Number 3 on our list today is Zara. Zara. Yes, Zara. Chizaramekpele. Chizaramekpele. God answered my prayers, or God granted my request. Chizaramekpele. Zara. The fourth one on our list is Zina. Zina. Zinachidimma. Zinachidimma. Show that the Lord is good. Show that the Lord is good. Zinachidimma. When shortened, part of it becomes Zina. Okay? Zina. Not only that, we also have Zinachimdindu. Zinachimdindu. Show that my God is alive. Show that my God is alive. Zinachimdindu. Okay? Another name that has Zina for short is Zinachimdiuto. Zinachimdiuto. Show that my God is sweet. That is, serving your God is sweet. Because so these 3 names, when shortened, we get Zina. Zinachimdimma, Zinachimdiuto, and Zinachimdindu. Okay? Zina. The next on our list is Kaira. Kaira. Kanyiraluchukwu. Let's leave it to God. Kaira. Kaira. Let's leave it to God. Kanyiraluchukwu. Okay? Good. The next on our list is Dino. Dino. Dinobi. Meaning beloved. Dino. Dinobi. Beloved. Beloved. Okay? The next one is Reader. Reader. Kamgarida. Kangarida. Okay? Reader for Kamgarida. Okay? The next on our list is Lito. Lito. Let me give you a short scenario. What's your name? My name is Lito. Lito. It sounds so English, right? Yes, but this is the full name. Chimkwesilito. Chimkwesilito. My God is worthy of praise. My God is worthy of praise. Chimkwesilito. So we took the Lito out of that name, and that's it. Lito. The last but not the least today is my name. Ngozika. Ngozika. For short, Zika. Zika. So you can imagine, what's your name? My name is Zika. It sounds so English, right? Now the full meaning of my name is Ngozichukwuka. Ngozichukwuka. God's blessing is the best. God's blessing is the best. For short, Ngozika. But when shortened further, and you want to make it more tush, or posh, or more English, you can go with Zika. Zika, okay? And that brings us to the end of today's video. I believe you've learned a lot and you enjoyed this video. Ebe ka awo sakwala wala nkita. Daalụ sorry nne maka ịnọnyelu m si na mbido wee luo na njedebe. Afọ m ka bụkwa Ngozika. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell beside it so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Bye.